All right, I think we're all here. Good morning, everyone. Welcome to our first PBIS assembly for the 21-22 school year. Hopefully everyone can hear me right now. Just so you are aware, I am recording this meet just so that I can share with families if they wish to participate. I wish all your families could join us in person this year, but unfortunately due to COVID, we're going to do this virtually for now. The character trait this month that we were working on is responsibility. So I'm going to show just a quick video to teach you what responsibility is. It's only a couple of minutes, and then we'll get to our student of the month certificate.
We can't hear you. Sorry.
That's okay. Can everyone else hear me? I'm not muted. Let's see.
We can hear you here.
Okay. All right, I think most people can hear me. I'm not sure what the problem is on my end. I'm not muted and I have my volume up, so I'm not sure what else to do, but if anyone else has any suggestions, feel free to let me know, okay? All right, I'm going to try to share this quick video with you.
We can't hear the video at all.
Okay. Let's see. Sorry, I'm just checking my settings.
When you share your screen, there's a button to share sound.
All right, I'm not seeing that. Do you know where I might find that?
It should be right there. There's like a little box to share sound.
I think you need to stop sharing first and then share your sound.
Okay, I'm sorry. I usually use Google Meet, so this is a learning experience. All right, let's try again.
When you go to share it, there'll be two options on the bottom for you to click, two little squares.
Oh, I see what you mean. Thank you.
You're welcome.
All right, let's try this again.
Has anyone ever told you that you need to learn to be responsible? Have you ever wondered what it means to be responsible and why it's so important? Let's find out in today's episode of Character Education Responsibility. Being responsible means that you take ownership over your decisions and your actions. Being responsible can help you to become a dependable person and a problem solver. It might sound hard, but it can actually be pretty amazing. If you always feel like life is happening to you and you don't really have any control, here's some great news. Taking responsibility for your decisions and your actions puts you in control. There are always circumstances that are out of our control, but the great thing is that we get to choose how we react within those circumstances. Here's an example. Going to school is something that you have to do, but you get to decide how you feel and how you act. Let's say that for whatever reason you decide you don't like going to school. So when you're there, you're kind of tuned out, you act like you don't really care about what's going on because, hey, you already decided that you don't want to be there. Now let's say that you're not really sure how you feel about school, but you're going to keep an open mind. Maybe you're not super into spelling practice, but math seems like it could be okay. And then if you do well, you can apply for a robotics elective. So you decide to apply yourself. You do well and you join the tech class that you wanted. Then you discover you love it. I mean, you just made a robot that can talk and carry your backpack. The only difference between these examples is that you decided to apply yourself in the second one. You decided not to waste your time. I mean, you have to be there anyway. Why not make the most of it? You can go through life thinking that you don't have the circumstances you need to be successful, or maybe that other people should be doing more to help you achieve your dreams. Or you can decide to be responsible for yourself. Remember, being responsible means taking ownership over your actions and decisions and making good choices, like being on time, getting your work done, and cleaning up after yourself. So go take control of your life and be responsible.
All right, let's get to our Student of the Month certificates. I'm going to go in grade level order. So let me read through a whole grade level and then we can applaud for our Students of the Month. Let's start with grade 4 from Mr. Bukowski's class, Wyatt Young. Wyatt is a very responsible fourth grader. He is accountable for his actions in class, whether it is his behavior or his classwork. He shows responsibility by making sure he has all his necessary work when he leaves and when he brings it back when it is due. Congratulations, Wyatt. Next from fourth grade, from Mrs. Delia's class, is Gianna Gujar. Gianna was chosen as Student of the Month for always acting responsible. She takes her work and actions seriously, and she is a role model to her classmates. Congratulations, Gianna. From Mrs. Johnston's fourth grade, Ibrahim Ali. Ibrahim is a role model for the characteristic of responsibility. Ibrahim will look to see what is needed to be done and will offer to help or to complete a task without hesitation. He is always prepared and will help anyone around him to be their best. Mrs. Johnston says she is very proud to be Ibrahim's teacher. Congratulations, Ibrahim. And our last fourth grader from Mrs. Riley's class is Austin Lay. Austin was chosen this month because he is the perfect example of a responsible student. He always comes to school prepared and makes good choices throughout the day. Congratulations, Austin. Okay, congratulations to all of our fourth graders. All right, moving on to our fifth grade Students of the Month. We'll start with Mrs. Goodman's class, Abad Al-Sadi. Abad comes to school every day prepared to learn and to do his best. He is a positive role model within the classroom. He completes all assignments thoroughly and still has time to lead the class in Prodigy. Abad is an excellent student and will go far in school and life. Congratulations, Abad. From Mrs. Heveren's class, Heaven Lyman. Heaven is a role model student. She always comes to class prepared and is ready to learn. I can count on her to be doing exactly what she should be all of the time. Keep up the great work, Heaven. I am so proud of you. From Mr. Holmes's fifth grade class, Ethan Miles. Ethan is the kind of kid who takes full responsibility of his schoolwork. He never needs to be reminded what to do, and I have complete faith that he will do great things in his future. Congratulations, Ethan. From Mr. Rogowski's fifth grade, Nae Thablemu. Nae is a very responsible student that keeps up with all of her classwork and her homework. She is also very organized and does not lose any of her classroom materials. Nae is self-motivated and makes good use of all of the time she spends in school. Congratulations, Nae. And our last fifth grade student from Mr. Vincey's class is Thomas Copey. Thomas demonstrates responsibility by working hard, helping others, being prepared for class, and correcting his mistakes to enhance his learning. I am very proud of Thomas Copey. Congratulations, Thomas. Congratulations to all of our fifth graders. And we will move on to sixth grade. From Mrs. Colucci's sixth grade, we have Gia Piperata. Gia shows responsibility on a daily basis. She completes her morning work, in-class assignments, exit tickets, and homework in a timely manner. Gia is always prepared for class and shows responsibility in all specials as well as lunch. Congratulations, Gia. We are so proud of you. From Mr. Cunningham's sixth grade, Liliana Gregory. Liliana is an awesome role model of responsibility within our classroom and school. She is always prompt with her schoolwork, completes her tasks to the best of her ability, and above all, demonstrates a great attitude towards her daily learning. Great job, Liliana. From Mrs. Fry's sixth grade class, Isabella Salami. Sorry if I pronounced the last name incorrectly. Isabella exemplifies the character skill of responsibility. She comes to school each day prepared and ready to learn. Her homework is always complete. She organizes her time well, and she sets a good example for others. Keep up the great work, Isabella. From Mrs. Geruzzi's sixth grade, Georgiana Butler. Georgiana demonstrates responsibility on a daily basis. She comes to school on time and is always prepared. She completes all of her work, even when she is absent. Georgiana is a great role model and an asset to the class. Congratulations, Georgiana. From Ms. Kohlbrenner's sixth grade, Belkis Ishmael. Since the beginning of school, Belkis has taken responsibility of her schoolwork and her siblings at General Herkimer. When there isn't a driver for her bus, Belkis contacts her parents and makes sure her siblings knows how they're being transported home. She takes the responsibility of being a big sister and a student seriously. I couldn't be more proud of Belkis. Congratulations, Belkis. And our last student of the month from Mrs. Services class, Carly Sir. Carly is our student of the month because of her willingness to know what being a responsible student means. She is responsible enough to know how important it is to get to school every day. Carly is responsible for getting her classwork completed to the best of her ability and always remembering to bring in her homework when assigned. Carly takes the responsibility of a student who excels very seriously. It certainly shows in all that she does. Congratulations, Carly, on a job well done. Congratulations to all of our sixth graders. All of our students of the month will be receiving a coupon for a free ice cream on Friday, and you will also be receiving a certificate. We'll get those out to you today or tomorrow before lunchtime. Congratulations to all of our students of the month, and I hope all of our students now know what is expected of them in the building, and hopefully you can work hard to be our next student of the month next time we have an assembly. Congratulations to everyone, and I hope that you have a great day.